Yes. At the time you took him to the hospital, at the time he was discharged, did you have any discharge order from the doctor? When you took him out of the hospital?
My Lord, I don't think a physician, I don't think a physician can just allow you to move a patient inside their hospital without a proper documentation. So there was a documentation there, my Lord.
Do you have it?
Spelling now with me, I don't
panel.
have it, but there was a documentation there in 2000 on the 5th. I'm the IPO, my Lord. I was the IPO, I was the team leader of the investigative team. For now, if the family accepted of treating him in Kaduna there, I would have left it there.
Please go out, please.
There's a threaty word. There is a threaty word.
Justice is for God and it's dangerous. So we don't need justice from the court. We need justice from God.
You listen now. I'm going to tag down your names. What's your name? What's your name? You listen. What's your name?
Doris Idedia.
You are the sister.
Doris Idedia.
Yeah, you were here.
Yes, sir.
You are not behaving like until when your brother came today.
Because he's not saying the truth, sir.
Were you telling lies? Did anybody tell? When you gave evidence, did anybody say you are telling lies?
When he said there's something, he said that.
Sorry for what you're doing.
Did you testify in this? Were you called? Were you called as a witness here?
My Lord,
You tell lies?
he has testified.
Did you testify in this court?
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.